What's going on, awesome people? We're back here with our guy Fernando, our friend Fernando, professional powerlifter. Today's video is on how to bench press or do a chest day like a pro. Now, you always want to start by getting your wrists, your shoulders, all of your ligaments warmed up, right, for longevity. If you're planning to be doing this for a while, it's very important you get nice and warmed up. Even if you're doing bodybuilding style chest days or, workouts, you still want to get the muscles nice and warmed, let the muscles and the joints all breathe right before you pump them up and destroy them, right? Also, sometimes you might find something a little sensitive or a little sore you didn't know about during your warm up and, avoid certain exercises on that chest day. You can also use a resistance band. These are all pretty self-explanatory, but very, very smart to use a resistance band to let those shoulders get a little air in. Now, for the bench press itself, right, you always want to start off with a good wide stance. Your feet are always going to stay on the ground on the flat bench press. And this applies to all of dumbbells and just about all of the push exercises. You always want to have a grip that's a little bit wider than shoulder length. And you always want to bring the bar down, right, to the lower chest, right? This is not incline bench press. This is, flat bench press. And also breathe when you come down, right? You always want to breathe coming down, right? You're breathing in. And then when you push up, you're pushing the air out, right? You're pushing the air and the bar up. You can also arc your back if you want to focus more on the chest, right? Isolate the chest. You isolate it by, right, bringing up, arcing the back and squeezing your abdominal muscles, squeezing your core, bringing up the back, breathing in. Grip is a little wider than shoulder length, and you bring it right down, and bring it right up.